me on a helicopter ride. So excited. Just got in the car. We're on our way. And it's only 15 minutes away. We're checking in right now. This is on a go-kart on the way to helicopter. He's got in the helicopter.
Alrighty.
You're supposed to smell. We're out of the helicopter, and it was literally the best thing ever. It was so good. Can't even explain, like, that was the best experience ever. So hungry. Now we're gonna go get some food. Okay, so we just finished eating food. Now we're getting malasadas. Really like the best thing ever. I'm getting Nutella for my filling and powdered sugar on top. Just got my malasada, and this is what it looks like.